What's going on, YouTube? I just got the hybrid racing package. It actually came 2 days ago, but I wasn't here. I was in Reno, so I didn't get to get it. Cheese, the box, hybrid racing. Let's open it up. Still waiting for my brake drill slot rotors, pads. Those are from Rock Auto. This is a shifter from Hybrid Racing. I'm not sponsored or nothing. Just first time trying out one of their products. Yeah, basically my brother told me about it. I checked it out. Seen a lot of people were using it, so I was like, why not try it? I mean, try to get the top line or best, not the best, the best I can afford for me. And it comes packaged empty paper. This is gonna be the shift knob. I think this was like, I want to say like $60 by itself. I'll let you know. The invoice is right here. That's that. Here's the invoice. Everything was a total of $364. I didn't get none of the descent springs. Right now I just got the shifter and the knob. That's it. Nothing else. I could have clicked to get some awesome sauce, but I guess I didn't. I don't know. Usually they give you awesome sauce, which is like these little car air fresheners, but I didn't click it, so I guess I didn't get none. For free. I don't know. It's all good. I already have car fresheners anyway. I'm only copying everybody else riding around with awesome sauce or whatever it's called. All right, let's check out this first. This little shift knob. They didn't have the color I wanted because they would have to wait till August 14th in stock for black, which I didn't even want black. I really wanted like a blue, but they didn't have that, so I just got the shift knob blue. So, see, soft powdered blue. I like it. It says Hybrid Racing on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, it's nice. It comes in a little box, you know. Good packaging. It's heavy, weighted, feels good. It feels better than the K2 one. The K2 one had like ripples around it, which I like. I like it a lot, but they got a little like scuffs on there and stuff, and I'm kind of picky with stuff like that. So, I mean, I might switch them out. You never know, but this is the real one. I'm like, I want a Hybrid Racing one because my shifter's Hybrid Racing. So, came with a sticker. Got a sticker for my car. If I do decide to do stickers or throw them on there, I don't know yet what I'm gonna do. I am gonna save the stickers because who knows, I might start rocking them. Right now I'm trying to get a YouTube sticker made so people can see when they see my car, see my YouTube page, and subscribe to it. Just get viewers like that because right now I'm not really good at getting viewers. I try to put it on my social media here and there, but I have Instagram, but I don't really use it. I mean, I just use it to look for car meets and stuff. My girl uses it more, but I'm going to start using that more. Alright, this is the just a little short shifter for B series. On the box it says Dust Red. It says it fits 88 to 2000 Honda Civic, 89 2001 Acura Integra, and 92-91 Honda Del Sol, which I don't know if that's right, but pretty sure it's like 92 to 90 or 91 to 90 or 92 to 96 or something like that. Or I think the Del Sol goes up to 97. I don't really know. I'm not really 100% sure. But I'm pretty sure it's not 91 or 92. Might be 92, 97. I don't know. Something like that. Let's open this up. Ooh, it's nice. Some more stickers. Like a little business card with their Instagram and stuff like that, and their Facebook. You know, you can do like a review on the stuff you got. Tell them how their product is. Alright, it's the shifter. Comes in the box. Looks like it's. Here, let me show you in the box first. This is how it comes in the box. In the box, comes like that, separate, 2 pieces. Take this off. This is the first piece. This is the shifter extender. Got the hybrid H on it. Like I said, I had to get a red. This is all they had. Nothing in my car is red really, but hey, oh well, too bad. This is what's gonna go in there. This is the top part, the part you can stand. That's what you put on second. This is the actual shifter. This is what you put on first. It's real heavy. The bushings feel good. Sturdy. Doesn't feel like junk. Don't feel like the other one from Wish or wherever the hell it was from. I like how it has a little dusty in there, but it's alright. It has a ball joint and it's real, like, just feeling like this. I can imagine how it would feel in the car. It just feels like, man, this thing's gonna work real good. I'm not gonna have to sit there banging the gearing just to put it in gear. So yeah, and you guys seen my shifter plate, my Circuit Hero, so that's going with all this. This is all going in. This is it right here, Hybrid Racing. No, I'm not sponsored. Just trying out their stuff because I heard they got good quality parts. Who knows, if I like it, I'll buy some more stuff in the future. And then I did buy I forgot what it's called. I think it was what was it called? Basically like the bushings for the shifter, because if you just put this in and you wanted to feel the best quality, you could buy. I could have bought the Hybrid Racing one, but the springs and all that. I wasn't trying to spend like $100 or $150 for some springs and bushings, so I just bought some metal shifter bushing. A little eBay one. It was like $20. It should be here tomorrow. So all I'm waiting for is my drill and slide rotors and pads, and yeah, drill slide rotors and pads, and then the shifter bushings for the shift linkage. And I can go get this installed. I'll pick a day, most likely probably Sunday. Usually that's when I do all the stuff. That's the day I have the most time free to do stuff, and my brother's free, so probably Sunday. We'll see. I don't know yet, depending on how I feel when everything gets here, because I've been going out of town a lot. I've been traveling a lot for like the last 2 months. I haven't really been chilling. Been going to the Bay, going to Frisco, going to Salinas, going to Oakland, going to Reno, just traveling. But yeah, that's basically the unboxing for the Hybrid Racing shifter. I mean, I'll do a video when it's installed and a review on it then, but this is all I can really review right now. I can't tell you how it is. The quality of the work and craftsmanship is good. I mean, I like it. It feels sturdy, it feels heavy, it doesn't feel crappy. So I know that. And like I said, I got the shifter assembly was $2.99 by itself, and then the weighted shift knob was $50. Shipping was $14.56, so total $364.54 for Hybrid Racing, and it took about a week to get here. Not too bad. So like, comment, subscribe, please. Tell other people, have your friends subscribe. Just like my videos, watch them. I will be putting more content out. Trying to drop at least 2-3 videos a week. But that's the Hybrid Racing shifter. Thank you guys. Peace.